First of all, I'm very pissed off because I finished filming this video and then I noticed that I was wearing the same shirt from my last video, so it's really unprofessional. Let's go. You might be wondering, where are my books, including my YouTubers books? So here we go. Am I mad because I already filmed this video? Yes. Am I refilming it because I wore the same shirt as my last video? Yes. Do I have my YouTuber books behind me? No. Did I have them in the last video? Yes. YouTuber books. Enjoy. Basically, if you watched my videos before, you probably haven't because I only have 30 subscribers. I made a video called YouTubers Books where I reviewed some of the YouTubers books I have. So basically, right now, I'm going to try to review all my YouTubers books in the least time possible. Let's go. So once again, I'm going to try to get a better view and I'll be right back.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What is that? Science, English, algebra, what? Ooh, I have a VR headset too. That's not the point. Back to the YouTubers books. Where are they? And there we go. First book, A Work in Progress by Connor Franta. This book varies from why he loves coffee too much, on why he puts his arm in every single photo he takes, to what he was struggling with as a child, to when he got his first MacBook and camera. Next book, In Real Life by Joey Graceffa. This book varies from where he was struggling as a kid with his mom, to when he got a YouTube channel called Winter Spring Pro and he got famous. Next book, The Pointless Book. The Pointless Book 2 by Alfie Days. Those are two books that have activities in them. Fun, fun, fun. I haven't solved any of this. Yep, exact same thing. I solved a little bit of this, but next book. Self-Help by Miranda Sings. It's a very Miranda Singsy book. It is very stupid. It is very funny. I love it. Go get it. Link down below. Next book. Binge by Tyler Oakley. This varies from why he loves binging and why he's a famous YouTuber. I love this book along with In Real Life by Joey Graceffa. Next book. The Amazing Book is Not on Fire by Dan and Phil. Go buy the book because I don't know how to explain it. It has a lot of stuff. It's very confusing. Dan and Phil's like, what is that? Like, Phil is on that and Dan is on here. Like, what are you doing? Like, what is this? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Next book. What? Science? English? Algebra? Yeah, that's right, because I have final exams in 2 weeks.
So I filmed this video 3 times till now. I enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. All the links to buy these books are going to be in the description below. I will see you next daily vlog. If I daily vlog, I'm really going to try. I hope I can. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be like Joey Graceffa and Shane Dawson and Prank versus Prank, like a lot of people. See you next video. Bye.